in this video I'm gonna be walking you through how to buy used Opay POS. So let's say you're just interested in a used Opay POS and you are just wondering where you can actually get that type of POS. So in this video I'm gonna be walking you through how to get that. So all you just need to do is just create an Opay business account. If you don't know how to go about it, you can watch the video on the top right or left corner right here. So once you already set up your Opay business account, the next thing you're gonna do is just click on the top left icon where you see 3 lines right there. Then it's gonna take you straight down to this page. So just scroll all the way down. Then you can see transfer POS. So just click on that. Then on this page right here, you see my POS. If you currently have POS that you're using, you'll be able to see that right there. Then you can see the handover request. So you see right there, and you can see seek to purchase. So that means you want to buy a POS. So you're gonna see different people. You can see buyer's name, Abasco, date, June, bid 1000 something. So you're gonna see different people right there. So you can see POS 1 Kano. You see the date right here. So just select the one you actually want to purchase. So you can see this one. I'm not sure if it's available. So let me go back. So just go through any of them, then you're gonna see their contact right there, and also seeking to purchase. So you can also see I want POS, so you can also click on that. Then you can see wanted POS, so you select the option traditional MPOS, which is mobile POS or smart POS. So just select the one you want, then click on confirm. Select your location, select your bid, your negotiation, buyer's name, your name, then your phone number. Caution: fraudulent calling asking for your OTP. Opay staff will not contact you about POS purchase on the app. Do not share your OTP code with anyone. You can also provide your WhatsApp phone number right there and leave a message to the POS owner, so you can see how to go about it. So this is how you can seek to purchase a POS. So you can also see a lot of people out there, and if you want to navigate to your own particular country, you can see there are a lot of countries states right there, sorry. So you can select your own state. So you see from Lagos, the type of POS, maybe smart POS. So you can see different people right here. Bid 15,000. So you can see there are a lot of them. So you can just select, you can just look at their name, you can see buyer's name, you can see their name. So just click on I want the POS, and then you'll be able to get one for yourself.